Hi friends, so the date for assistant chemist exam, scientific officer, and the one foreman chemist, for this combined three examination, the date has out, and for all the three posts, syllabus and test will be same. So the test is on 29th of July 2018. It will be on Sunday, and it will be conducted. It will be a computer based test, a recruitment test. So it will be online test, and it will be in the afternoon session only. The timing which is mentioned in the notification is 2 to 4 p.m. So it will be a 2-hour test, and the reporting time for candidate is 12:30 p.m. So friends, let's see the scheme of the test. So this examination will be of 2 hours, and it will carry 300 marks. All questions will carry equal marks, and the test will be of objective type. There will be a negative marking of 1/3 to the wrong answers. If you don't answer, there will not be any penalty for the answers. Now the syllabus for the test, which is quite broad in the sense, like topics which they have not given the subtopics, but the broad topics which is mentioned in the syllabus is material science, oil, gas, flammable solid, thermodynamics, carbon compounds, chemical processes industries, petroleum refining, heat and mass transfer, polymers and corrosions, quantitative analysis, rock, minerals, ores and coal. So these are the 10 topics which they have mentioned. So friends, I hope you will prepare well and give exam well. So this was for your information. If you have liked it, please subscribe to our channel Global Online University.